Arabian culture. Arabian culture defines the behavior of dwellers of the empty quarter, the huge and barren peninsula lying between northern Africa and Asia, but for this definition, we also include Arab-settled North African countries. Arabs share a common philosophy, culture, language and religion. The region is marked by vast emptiness and hot and uninhabitable weather, but the people in contrast are friendly, thoughtful, kind, cultured, and graceful. It is perhaps this simple and humble nature that has helped maintain stability over several thousands of years of history. While Africa served as the crucible, Arabia served as the cradle of civilization, one that tended and nurtured the human mind. The region was once the center of civilization and culture. The older civilizations of Mesopotamia and Sumer thrived, and influenced the later European and Asian civilizations. The people were world pioneers in art, writings, science, poetry, medicine, agriculture, astronomy, language, architecture and technology, mathematics, law and philosophy. As these advances spread, so did the various characteristics of its culture. For thousands of years the culture has remained stable. While other civilizations grew from it, this culture did little to maintain their leadership, thereby stagnating behind the Europeans and Asians. With the coming of the 20th century and discovery of oil, the profile of the ancient people and nomadic Arabs changed. While money amassed, developments in economics, politics, social, scientific and technological areas remained unchanged. Islam provided stability to the capricious, newly rich. The status of women remained subservient and unchanged, as it did for millennium, creating great conflict within societies. The increasing contrast between wealth and social harmony is distinctive. The once cradle of civilization is at crossroads. The youth men and women are divided between tradition and modernity. Girls see a markedly different future for themselves, one that is veiled in rich tradition but one that strikes a discord in present-day reality. The hand that rocked the cradle of civilization is now seen to fuel terrorism and rock global stability. The rich culture and advances of the past can once again be achieved by restoring an ultimate Arabian culture, one that is open to ideas and values, as much as to technology and material development, which in fact are far removed from basic Arabian nature. It is important to develop the women and men psychologically, so that a balance is achieved between traditional values and modern thought. If this balance is not achieved, the wealth gained over the next few decades won't hold much water, and the region may relapse into history once again. There's a bit of Arabian culture in each one of us, one that is lost between tradition and modernity, one that spawns development and one that destroys. It is this culture that needs to be balanced and developed to achieve internal peace and harmony in society.